Hello everyone. Do you own a small business and want more customers without spending a huge budget? Then digital marketing can completely change your business journey. Today I will explain how digital marketing help small business and grow faster and smarter. Okay, let's start. Reach more customers. First, digital marketing help you reach more people. Before, business were limited to local customers, but now, though Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube can reach thousands, even millions of potential customers in online. Even if your shop is very small, your online presence can be powerful journey. Low cost marketing. Second, it is budget friendly. Small business usually don't have a big marketing budget. Digital marketing allow you to start with a small amount of money and still get real result. For example, running targeting Facebook ads or posting regular content can attract customers at a much lower than TV or newspaper ads. Build brand awareness. It's very important. Digital marketing also helps build your brand identity. When people regularly see your post, videos, or ads, they start to recognize and trust your business. Trust is very important, and online presence build that trust step by step. Target the right audience. It also very important. Another big advantage is targeting. You can choose who see your ads based on age, location, interest, and behavior. This means your marketing reaches the right people, not just the random audience. Measure and improve. Finally, digital marketing gives you data. You can track click, sales, engagement, and customer behavior. If something is not working, you can quickly improve it. It's very important for business growth. This makes business growth and strategic and less risky. So, thank you everyone. So, digital marketing help small business by reaching more customers, saving marketing cost, building brand trust, targeting the right audience, tracking performance for better growth. If you want a small business to growth in today's world, digital marketing is not optional, it's essential. Thank you.